about to save another bird, guys. He's the Bird Whisperer. Check this out, Cannoli. Look at this. It's okay, buddy. Look, Dee's gonna look what Dee's gonna do. No, he has a bird. Wanna go see him? He's gonna save the birdie.
He's like just hurt.
Oh, he looks pretty fucked up.
Mm-hmm.
He's all squinty-eyed.
I saw him. He hit the.
Did you see that nose? It's a bird.
He hit the window, and then I just see his head go like this.
That's how his eyes still look.
I don't think he's back. Look at his like feet.
Well, he needs to sit on a finger like this. You put your finger underneath him, and he'll step up on it. See, watch. Step on the finger. There, see? Put him on your finger. Put your finger underneath the front, from the front.
No, just put him down.
No, from the front. He'll step right on it. Do it. I think he's gonna fly. Is it time to go? You did your job as a father.
It's time to leave the nest.
Yep, you did your job as a father. Go away and be free. He's gonna fly that beak right near your eyeballs. Hey, fly pelican! All right, good job, D. Proud of you. Proud of you too, Cannoli.
Good job, Cole, for being really annoying.
Boy. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Check us out next time. D saves another bird. Shout out to MagicCabanaBoy.com. Thanks for watching. Peace.